What happens after you say yes? 5 steps, 3 to 6 weeks. It took a while to uncover the most common reason people say no. They think that saying yes means their life gets completely taken over. Hyper optimization, 10 daily protocols, 14 supplements taken at exact times, journaling for 2 hours every morning in your red light sauna while drinking your adaptogen infused herbal tea. That isn't what happens. When you sign up, there are 5 steps. It takes 3 to 6 weeks. No surprises. I'm Dr. Taylor Cushman, a physician board certified in internal medicine. Step 1, your first visit as a member is a conversation. You tell us who you are, your health history in great detail, the challenges you've faced, where you are now, what your lifestyle looks like, and what's important to you. That's the first step. Step 2, we do the legwork. We track down your health records to get as full a picture as we can. And in the meantime, we send a phlebotomist to your house at a time that works for you for our initial blood work. You don't drive anywhere, sit in a waiting room, we come to you. Step 3, testing day in our Scottsdale office. We assess your resting metabolic rate, cardiorespiratory fitness in the form of VO2 max, body composition with a 3D body scanner, and we do neuromuscular function and balance testing. Something happens that day that I didn't plan for. People watch their VO2 max appear breath by breath on the screen, and for a lot of people, you see it click. Most people have never seen their own physiology measured live, and watching it happen changes how invested they are in what comes next. Step 4, we compile your Paragon Blueprint. Your history, your records, your labs, your fitness testing read together as one picture. It gives you clarity on your whole health history and your current health status. It identifies any blind spots, proposes goals, and outlines a concrete action plan. From that first conversation to your finished blueprint, the whole thing takes 3 to 6 weeks. I'd rather tell you that up front than promise overnight answers. Step 5, the walkthrough. We go through the finished blueprint page by page. The goal is that you leave understanding your own health better than you ever have before. Then we work through it together. We decide what comes next, what's realistic, where you're likely to get stuck. We identify what your priorities are, in which order, and over what time periods. What can we measure, and at what intervals to determine if the plan is working. That's the data-driven approach that we take with every person. Then the rhythm. We recalibrate on set rhythm at least twice a year so the plan keeps working rather than going stale. In between those visits, you're never starting over with a stranger. When you're sick, you reach out to us and you're seen quickly. And from your second testing day on, we're comparing you against your own baseline instead of population ranges. That is the continuity. 5 steps, 3 in person, 3 to 6 weeks, start to finish. Some people prefer to jump into membership from the start. If you're not ready to make that commitment, start with the Compass assessment. It's the same blood draw at home, it's the same testing day, and it's the same walkthrough. We don't hold anything back because number 1, we believe in the value of our membership, start to finish. And number 2, luring people into a membership that isn't the right fit for them, that is a loss for you and me. Join within 3 months and the entire fee of your Compass assessment is credited towards the membership in full. So you can watch us work once before you decide anything. The full sample of a blueprint is below. It's invented data, real format, every page at no cost. It's the document our walkthrough is built on, so reading it is the closest thing to a preview of that meeting. And if you'd rather start with a conversation, put 10 minutes on my calendar. It's right next to the download.